Hey everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you are our January 2024 kit reveals. Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you had an awesome holiday, spending time with family and friends and loved ones. And we had a great holiday here and we're ready to get started with the new year. We've got lots of new things coming. We've got a brand new website, we've got a brand new design team, and we've got brand new kits. So let's go ahead and jump into these kits. All right, first up, we've got our scrapbook kit. If you didn't know, Treasure Lee Kit Club offers 3 monthly kits. You can subscribe to one, or you can subscribe to all 3, or any combination of kits that you like. You can find them all at our website at www.treasureleekits.com. First up, we've got our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52. That does include your shipping. That's US only. If you are international, please just email us and we can give you a quote on shipping. All right, first up, we've got this pack of Prima flowers, and these are brand new. These are from the Bohemian Heart line, and you've got 9 pieces here, and they're this really pretty soft blue. And then next up is another pack of flowers, because at Treasure Lee Kit Club, we love flowers. And these are 12 pieces, and these are also from the Bohemian Heart line. You get both full packages. Next up, we've got a set of journaling cards, and these are all from the Bohemian Heart line as well. If you haven't noticed, there's a theme here. We are going with Prima this month with the brand new Bohemian Heart, but these are all the journal cards that you get, and they're double-sided, so they're fun for layering or even making little ATC cards out of them if you like. Lots of things you can do with these cards. Next up, you're going to get a pack of the Bohemian Heart ephemera. You've got 56 pieces in here, and there's a little sampling of what you get. There's 2 of each, and you get the full pack. Now, if you didn't know, at Treasure Lee Kit Club, we also do our own chipboard in-house. So you can find the chipboard too at the website at www.treasureleekits.com, and then click on the link at the top that says shop and click on chipboard, and you'll get all the categories of our chipboard, and then just scroll through and find the pieces that you like. These are just some little leaves that we've got, and also you're going to get this split mandala. This is a new design for the kit, and these will be uploaded to the store, so you can get them separately. You're also going to have a little paper doily in there. Now let's get on to the papers. Like I said, these are brand new papers from Prima Marketing, and they're the Bohemian Heart line that was just launched in December. So here we go. And this paper is double-sided. I love the soft colors to it, but it's also got like a excuse me, vintagey feel to it. Here's your back side. Just really pretty paper. Soft colors. Even though you've got some browns in here, they're very soft, and some grays, some subtle grays. Just really pretty paper. I'm sorry, there's the back side. You can use this masculine, feminine, shabby chic. How pretty is this? If you're into fussy cutting, to fussy cut that out and put it on top of something. Go for it, because I'm not. A nice pretty blue. And then for the last sheet, you're going to have some more ephemera that you can go ahead and cut out for fussy cutting. Now we have 2 different sheets, so you may get this sheet, you may get a separate sheet, but you will get a sheet for fussy cutting. So this has been our January scrapbook kit. Really pretty papers from Prima Marketing, brand new. And everything coordinates wonderfully. And make sure that you head over to our Facebook group and you join in on our monthly mood board. It's kind of based off the scrapbook kit, but you don't have to, 1, get our kits, and 2, you don't have to create just a layout. It's any project based off of the mood board and the feeling you get from it. Just let us know what mood you're getting from it. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more. Next kit is our cards, tags, and more kit. If you don't know what that is, it's our small project kit. You can create cards, you can create tags, there may be stuff for a mini album, all kinds of little smaller projects, and this kit retails for $42. Yes, that's your shipping in US only. So let's get started. First off, you're going to have a pack of Prima flowers, and these are painted. And then you're going to have this little bag here. Well, actually your chipboard's going to be separate. Let's do the chipboard first. Your chipboard will be packaged separately. It was just easier for me to put mine in here because I already lost a piece. So you're going to get 2 sets of butterflies. You're going to get these, and then you're also going to get the profile set, and you're going to have 2 of those. And these are already in the store. I believe they're under nature if you're interested. What else you're going to have in here is some vintagey ephemera. So you're going to have like these little milk tags. Let's get those all out first. So you're going to have 10 of these. Nice vintagey tags, circular tags. And then you're going to get like a whole handful of vintagey ephemera. All kinds of fun stuff here. Oh, we got another milk tag there. But you're going to have all kinds of different ephemera here. You can see that. You're also going to have a sheet of tags, or tickets, I'm sorry. You're also going to have this little package. Now this is fun. We created this. This was laser cut. And what it is it's all pockets for a junk journal. If you haven't picked up all this little stuff we've got in here. So you've got, like here, you're going to have to score right across the line here. But here's the back for your tag. And here's a tag here. Let's see. We've got another pocket tag here, and you're going to have to score down the sides and the bottom. But we've got another pocket tag here. And another pocket tag here for another tag. And we've got one more pocket tag for here. We've got couple of different file folders here. You've got the circle pieces from your tags, and then you should have 2 of these tabs as well too. So that's all going to be in here that you can put these together for a little junk journal. And to go along with that, you're also going to have a sheet of music note paper. And then to help you create your junk journal, you're going to get these A4 pieces of paper, and they're double-sided. You've got this one, and you can split this, like if you want to make your cover, or you can fold it. And then this is the back side of it. Here you've got a lot of little pieces that you can cut out and add to your pockets, and that is double-sided as well. You've got another sheet here. This would be a pretty junk journal cover. And here's your inside. You've got some more pieces here for your junk journal. You can cut pieces apart. And there's your back side. And you've got another sheet. Again, this would be pretty for your cover too. And there's the back side. And then you've got some more pieces that you can cut out. And here's the back side of that. So this is our cards, tags, and more kit. It's basically a setup for creating your own little junk journal and embellishing it. So that's what we've got for you for January. And again, if you're seeing these kits, that means that they've already been revealed, and what's left is on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. And if they're not available, the best thing for you to do is go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't ever miss out on a kit. And since we're talking about subscribing, make sure you hit that little notification bell down below and set all your notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when we upload a video. We'll be using The kids, our new designers, will be uploading videos. I can't wait for you to see what they have in store for you. But next up, we're going to have our mixed. This is our third kit. Our mixed media kit is also a standalone kit. It's all about building up your mediums, but we always include a little project in here for you so that you can go ahead and use your mediums right away. And if you've got any of our past kits, everything will mix and match and coordinate. So let's start with the mediums. You're going to get some opaque matte modeling paste, always great for texture. You're going to get Distress Embossing Glaze, and you're going to get 4 of these. You're going to get Speckled Egg. You see that color? You're going to get Wilted Violet, and it's more of a, it's showing up blue here, but it's more of a purpley color. You're going to get Pumice Stone. It's like a grayish brown. And you're going to get Tattered Rose. Now it's showing up orange here, but if you have the Tattered Rose inks and everything, you know that comes out pink. So we'll have to see how this comes out. And I forgot to mention, this kit retails for $47. Now, as far as for your project, things to use these on, you're going to get this fun little spoon that you can make a little focal point. You're going to get this mixed media board in 6x6. You're going to get 2 flat canvases that are 8 inches in round, and you're also going to get this sheet of race paper, which is really fun to use. And so this has been our mixed media kit for January. And again, head on over to the website at www.trejoliekids.com and make sure that you check out all the kits that are available. There may even be some kits on sale right now. So if you've ever wanted to try out one of our kits, go ahead and pick up a sale kit. So thank you for joining us. Again, this has been Kim for Trejolie Kit Club and Chipboard. We'll see you later. Bye.